Hi, Anthony here. I thought I'd give you a quick update after nearly 70 days or 2 months in the Amazon Influencer Program and how much money I'm making, especially because I have not been posting videos for probably 3 weeks. I posted maybe just two or three, not many videos, two or three, not two or three a day, two or three in total over the last 2 weeks. So this is really a passive income for me right now. Now that's not the way to grow but it's still continuous income. I've been making money, and the average I'm making, I can't share my Amazon influencer page. I can't share my Amazon Associates page, but I will read out to you what I'm seeing on the screen. The daily average is $6.27 a day. I have sold $13,788 worth. That's in revenue to Amazon, and then I've got so far $414. This is US dollars. So that annual projection is $2,289. Now, considering that, yes, although I did make maybe 70, 80 videos, now I'm not making any, and that money is still coming in. So that's really good. What can I do to improve it? Yes, definitely make some more videos, get some more products, and and post some more videos. Now, a quick message for you is that once you do get approved, some areas that are higher commission are worth doing. Some of the homeware garden products have been higher commission, around 4%, which is great. And the other thing to keep in mind is that even when you make a review of a small product, if it comes in consistently, so I did razor blades and toothbrush heads, and if that for the Oral-B toothbrush, if that comes in consistently, that cumulative effect, it's really, really nice. I was out yesterday and came home and found out that my Amazon day had generated $15.69, and I literally have not posted anything on there in probably 2 weeks. So that kind of consistent income is very, very nice. If you've got any questions or things that you want me to cover on this channel, then please put a comment in. I've been really, really pumped by the comments that I've been getting on this YouTube channel.